happiness. I'm so happy to share this with you, how I trade stocks using my exclusive algorithm. And of course, an algorithm is just different ideas combined together to form a strategy in trading. Now, I'm going to share with you how I use fundamental analysis to come up with the ideas before moving on to the MetaTrader 5 platform. Let's have a look and see what it looks like. Now, what I do, I get this stock screener. So this stock screener now, what I do is I put all my data inside here. So I go on to, I go onto the filter. I'm looking at the market capitalization. I'm going on to the revenue. I'm looking at countries, so I can select multiple countries. I'm looking at the average volume. If the average volume is not over 1 million, then I'm not interested. We're also looking at market capitalization. I'm also looking at the weekly RSI, the 20-day moving average, price change. Over the 150-day, I'm looking at 50-day moving average and the 200-day moving average. I'm going to get rid of that one as well. Okay. And then I'm looking at the number of employees, the country. I'm also looking at total return over a 3-year period because we want to see that especially when I'm doing investing, which is a long-term plan. And then also we look at the revenue growth and revenue growth on a quarterly basis. And then we look at the net income. So what is left over after they've paid out everything and, profit, what's the profit and the gross profit. So we look at these mainly when we're looking at, say, investing rather than trading. So once I've got this now, then I basically know I'm going now to see which stocks then would then be that stock. So then I look and I go on to, and I'm selecting the different countries. So I go on here and I'm selecting the different countries, okay? So let me just clear this one. Okay, so that's done. So I'm going on, I'm looking in, I've selected the following countries, which is in Europe, selected Italy. I'm looking at just the European stocks at the moment, yeah? Okay, so those are the European, yeah, and I'm selecting these. Then now I'm looking at, okay, I want a certain number of employees and so on. So if I then clear this one, we've got 170 stocks, right, that we can choose from. Now, once we put in the criteria that we're looking for, then it's all good. We just then put it here, get the stocks there, and then we'll go over to our MetaTrader. And once we get over to our MetaTrader, now we do the relevant stuff then to see, okay, right, it's below this and so on and so forth. Once we've done that, then we're all good to go. God bless. Peace out. Happy trading.